All right, constraints again. A school is preparing a trip for 400 students. The company who is providing the transportation has 10 buses of 50 seats each and 8 buses of 40 seats each, but only has 9 drivers available. The rental cost for a large bus is $800 and $600 for the small bus. Calculate how many buses of each type should be used for the trip. Least possible cost. All right, so we're looking for a minimum function here. Now, the school is preparing a trip for 400 students. We can't really address that yet. The company who is providing the transport has 10 buses of 50 seats and 8 buses of 40 seats. So we're going to do our variables first. So define our variables. And we're going to call X equals large bus. All right. Y equals small bus. Now we're not going to do this in order. We're going to just chip away at little bits at a time. Okay. The transportation has 10 buses of 50 seats. Okay. Let's get rid of this bit first. It only has 10 buses of 50. So we know that X has to be less than or equal to 10 because there's only 10 large buses. And 8 buses of 40 seats. So Y has to be less than or equal to 8, not 4. Rightio, that's those 2 bits done. We can now address this bit here. Okay, it's about the students. All right, we have to get 400 students. So we need to have 400 students minimum on this bus. Okay, we know that a large bus takes 50. All right, so 50 times X plus, that's gone, and 40 times Y has to be greater than or equal to 400, okay? Because 50 times the number of large buses we have is how many kids are on that bus, and 40 times the number of the small bus is how many kids are on that bus. So now this bit's gone. This bit's gone. That bit's gone. And we are here. Has 9 drivers available, okay? We now know, okay, the number of large buses plus the number of small buses can only equal under 9 because we only have 9 drivers. So X plus Y has to be less than or equal to 9 because there's only 9 drivers in total. Okay, that's gone. The rental cost for a large bus is $800 and $600 for the small bus. Now we're looking at the objective function. Okay, so the objective function, okay, we're looking here. Large bus is 800, so 800 X plus 600 Y equals the cost. Okay, so you have 4 functions in this example. We know that there are a maximum of 10 large buses. There is a maximum of 8 small buses. We need to get 50 kids on a large bus, 40 kids on a small bus, and it has to be greater than or equal to 400. And we know that we've only got 9 drivers, so the total number of my 2 buses has to be less than 9. And finally, I have my objective function there telling me the cost overall.